Welcome to Health Hive. Quick tips to banish oily skin. 7-minute routine. If you struggle with oily skin, don't worry, we've got you covered. In just 7 minutes, you can banish that excess shine and achieve a beautiful, matte complexion. Here's how. Step 1. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser made specifically for oily skin. Be sure to use lukewarm water and gently massage the cleanser in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry with a clean towel. There are several advantages to using gentle cleaners. They not only work well to remove impurities and excess oil from facial skin, but they also aid in stratum corneum protection. The stratum corneum, which is made up of lipids like cholesterol, fatty acids, and ceramides, acts as a barrier to keep hazardous environmental contaminants from entering the skin and to protect moisture that is evaporating from the skin. It is known that using a conventional facial wash to cleanse compromises this barrier, mostly due to the harsh surfactants it contains and the lipids it depletes, which results in dryness, sensitivity, itching, and redness. Gentle cleansers retain moisturized, supple, and healthy skin while working effectively and with little harm to the skin barrier. Step 2. Apply a toner to remove any leftover impurities and balance the pH of your skin. Soak a cotton pad with the toner and swipe it across your face, focusing on your T-zone. Add a toner to your skincare routine to help remove extra oil if you're having trouble regulating oily skin. Toners also include active components like niacinamide and tea tree oil to address several other skin issues. Step 3. Moisturize with an oil-free moisturizer. This will hydrate your skin without adding any additional oil. Apply a dime-sized amount and massage it into your face using gentle upward motions. To avoid clogging your pores and causing breakouts, look for products that are oil-free and non-comedogenic. The inclusion of acne-fighting chemicals like salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide is advantageous, especially if you are also prone to breakouts. Just so you know, having oily skin does not inevitably make you prone to acne. To assist control oil production and maintain moisture in your skin, use a moisturizer both day and night. Step 4. Don't forget the sunscreen. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Apply it generously and reapply throughout the day. Look for options that are lightweight and oil-free. Sunscreen for oily skin can cover the skin from UV rays and act as a protective barrier by reflecting the radiation. It feels wonderfully light on the skin and does not clog pores. Sunscreen can protect your skin from UV rays, decrease photoaging, and prevent photoprotection. It makes the skin more radiant and tones the skin. Collagen, keratin, and elastin are important skin-tightening proteins that are preserved by sunscreen. Step 5. If you wear makeup, choose products specifically formulated for oily skin and use a matte finish foundation. Apply with a makeup sponge using a damp technique to achieve a smooth and natural look. Keep your beauty appearance on point with the help of the best makeup ideas for oily skin. To begin with, the extra oil produced by oily skin can make even long-wear makeup formulas difficult to use, as it can cause the makeup to slip or smudge throughout the day. Additionally, summertime heat and sweat can hasten that process. That can be, at best, discouraging. It might be disheartening to see a look you spent a lot of time on run down your face by midday. Whether you've been meaning to try a Barbiecore-inspired shadow palette or have just mastered your traditional winged liner. Avoid using occlusive elements like beeswax, which can feel heavy on the skin and dehydrate it, both of which can result in an excess of oil being produced and possibly clogged pores. A better choice would be to choose powder-based, long-wear formulas for your blush, bronzer, and highlighter. Mineral or silicone-based products, which can help absorb oil throughout the day, are particularly beloved by Bueno. Step 6. Throughout the day, keep oil at bay by using oil blotting papers. Gently blot the excess oil, focusing on the areas that tend to get the most oily, like your forehead, nose, and chin. Nobody should have to deal with an oily face in this day and age. Fortunately, there is a fix, even for those of us with oily skin who discover that our expertly done makeup looks spotty and greasy just a few hours after application. Travel-sized oil blotting papers. How can you tell if it is effective? The paper will start to turn translucent and you will be able to plainly observe the oil being absorbed. Your face will also immediately show a difference as the shine completely vanishes, leaving a matte look and your makeup still in place. Avoid using the same paper more than once. This can result in breakouts and disseminate the oil you've already absorbed all over your face. Every time, begin with a new sheet of paper. Step 7. Lastly, maintain a healthy diet and stay hydrated. Eating nutritious foods and drinking plenty of water can help balance your skin's oil production from the inside out. Consuming foods with a high glycemic index, which are also heavy in sugars, carbs, and saturated fats, may cause an excessive amount of sebum production in some persons. These foods promote the production of skin oils and contribute to the clogging of follicles, which can impair the appearance of the skin. They also cause a sharp insulin rise. Additionally, these foods can increase a person's androgen levels, which causes hormonal changes. By following this 7-minute routine, you can say goodbye to oily skin and hello to a fresh, matte complexion. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks.